fall out. And 7 Emmets coming to our second. Emmets and Jassy gonna get a little contact. Emmets gonna go down to the inside of Jassy and make the pass. Jones still leads the way. Mason Gilbert second. And back 7 Emmets third. Here comes Gilbert down to the inside of Jones. See how it's gonna play out. And Gilbert, white flag in the air. Drag race for the lead. See if Jones is gonna be able to get it. Mason Gilbert is gonna be able to take the lead. And Mason Gilbert's gonna pick up the win for the mini wedge Saturday night special. Mason Gilbert picking up the win. And the Saturday night special number 2. How about we give a big round of applause for both Lily and Mason Gilbert, as well as all the other mini wedge drivers trying to learn the sport. The last 4 digits of the 50/50 raffle tickets are 9808. 9808.